Welcome to HootGuard, your all-in-one privacy companion. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy installation and setup. Let's jump right in and start with the hardware. To get started, you'll need just a few things. First, a Raspberry Pi. We support the 3B Plus and 4 models. Next, grab a power adapter, a 32GB SD card, an SD card reader to flash the image, and optionally, a case to keep everything safe and tidy. Now, insert the SD card into your card reader and head to hootguard.com/download to grab the software. Next, we'll flash the HootGuard image onto the SD card. Start by connecting your card reader to your computer and downloading the Raspberry Pi imager if you haven't already. Launch the imager and first select your device. In our case, we're using a Raspberry Pi 4. Then, under Operating System, scroll down and select Use Custom. Choose the HootGuard image you downloaded earlier. Next, pick your SD card from the list under Storage. Double-check that it's the correct one, and click Next. When prompted, click No for OS customization, and then Yes to confirm. The flashing process will now begin. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see a success message, and your HootGuard software is ready to go. Now it's time to insert the SD card into your Raspberry Pi. Connect it to your home network using an Ethernet cable, plug in the power, and your HootGuard will boot right up. Once your Pi has booted, open your browser and type hootguard.local. You'll land on the initial setup page, where we guide you through everything step by step. In the next steps, we'll configure your network settings, set up dynamic DNS, and choose a password. When you're ready, click Start to begin the setup. Here, you'll configure the local IP address for your HootGuard. If you already know your network settings, feel free to enter them manually. Not sure what to choose? Just click the yellow button. We'll suggest a working IP configuration for you. Next, choose your DDNS settings. We recommend IPv6 to avoid issues with ISP configurations. If you don't see this option, you're using the free version and can set it up later in the settings menu. Now, choose a strong password to protect your HootGuard Sentry from unauthorized access. Review your settings in the summary. If everything looks good, click Confirm and Reboot to apply the changes. After the reboot, reconnect to hootguard.local, enter your password, and that's it. Your HootGuard Sentry is now set up, installed, and ready to protect your network. There are just a few more steps to finish the setup. Add your HootGuard Sentry's IP address as the DNS server in your DHCP settings. This way, every device in your network is automatically protected. If you want to use the VPN feature, open ports 51820 and 51821 UDP on your router and forward them to your HootGuard's IP address. And lastly, this one's optional but recommended. Exclude your HootGuard's IP from the DHCP pool to avoid any IP conflicts. These steps depend on your home router or firewall, so be sure to check your device's documentation for details. And that's it for our quick installation and setup guide for HootGuard Sentry. Want to learn more or explore advanced features? Just head over to hootguard.com. Enjoy the peace of mind that HootGuard Sentry brings, protecting your data and your entire home network 24/7.